Hey guys, Robert here with Wonder Off-Road. I want to thank you guys for this great year we've had. So far on YouTube, we've added 294 subscribers in our first year, guys. TikTok, we are up to 120. Again, that hasn't been around a full year yet, so don't worry, it's coming up. Instagram, guys, we are up to 935 followers now. We're close to breaking that 1,000 marker this year, hopefully, before the end of the year. There's still time. All right, guys. Also, you guys know we have merchandise for sale. We have shirts on spring.com, but also we do sell them at these events when we show up in person. So if you guys will see us there, we do have sometimes special shirts just that we do not sell online at all. So check them out. These are great shirts that and they make a great wardrobe. Also, guys, this has been one heck of a year. And hopefully next year we'll have the Land Cruiser running back again. So that way you guys can really see what adventures we can pull off. I want to thank you guys again from the bottom of my heart for helping making this what it is. All right, now I want to thank you guys. This is Robert with Wonder Off-Road, signing off. Also, you can't go wrong with that.